bedroom. There's a bedroom. Big closets. Hooray! Bathroom. Master bedroom with another bathroom. Look, oh! Downstairs, living room with a fireplace, dining situation, kitchen situation, like a little sun spot, little hangout area. Whoa, cool. This is 3 floors. Go down again. Whoa. Okay. And we're downstairs. There's another. This is not a bedroom, but I think it can be a bedroom. Here's the cupboard under the stairs. Woo. If we want to be Harry Potter, that place is the best. I want to live there. Here's, by the way, this is going to be my new dark room. It's already a sink. Dark room. 3rd bathroom, actually 4th bathroom. There are lots of tubs. There's 3.5 bathrooms. Oh, look, another bedroom. This one is huge. Oh, look at this closet. Wait, closet. This closet is a room. This is a room. Look at me. I'm in a closet, but it's really my bedroom. Actually, my closet. Oops. So yeah, this place is the bomb. Views outside. Hey, cool. There's my car. Kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but there's a lot of open space. Everything is new. Look at this. What? Little island. Okay.